Next we'll learn about natural gas. So you know that natural gas, it is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through the pipes. And natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. So ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಗೆ, ಗೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ compressed natural gas, that is CNG. ಸೊ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏನಿದು ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ CNG. So CNG, it is used for a power generation, and now it is now used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟವ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಪಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಪಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್. So the great advantage of this CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories. So where it can be supplied through pipes. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪೈಪ್ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. So it is about this compressed natural gas. So the great advantage of this is that it can be used directly for the burning in homes and factories. So where it can be supplied through the pipes. So such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodar, Gujarat. So Gujarat alli Vadodar ano places alli so we have. So this is LPG. So what you are seeing on the picture, that is LPG, liquid petroleum gas. So this we use it as a fuel for homes and the industries. LPG means liquid petroleum gas. CNG means compressed natural gas. So the natural gas, it is also used as a starting material for manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. For example, even in the making of urea also, so they will use this. And so India has a vast resource of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari deltas. So e places ellanu, so they will use this compressed natural gas. So this is LPG gas. So this is compressed natural gas. So you might have seen that so ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, LPG ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ compressed natural gas ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಸೊ CNG ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So students, there are some natural resources and their limitations. So students, so you have studied in the beginning of this chapter that natural resources are exhaustible like fossil fuels. Alva fossil fuels nothing but so they will extract it. They are exhaustible, right? And like these fossil fuels, forest and minerals, these will exhaustible. So once we use it, and you know that coal and petroleum are also fossil fuels, and you know that how this coal and petroleum it is formed, right? It required the dead organisms millions of years to get converted into these fossil fuels. So on the other hand, the known reserves of these will last only for few hundred years. So what we are using this petrol, diesel, natural gas, it can be so we can use it for only several hundred years, that's it. So after that, so it will be over. And moreover, this burning of these fuels is a major cause of air pollution, right? So their use is also linked to global warming. So ಈ ಥರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಡೀಸೆಲ್, ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so along with that it will release, when the combustion of this petrol and liquid petrol and diesel it is taking place, it releases some harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. When it is released to the atmosphere, it will definitely cause the air pollution. And so as I told, so it will cause the global warming. So it is therefore necessary to that we use these fuels only when absolutely necessary. ತುಂಬಾ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And this will result in the better environment. And even smaller risk of global warming and their availability for a longer period of time. So if we use these fossil fuels in a limited way, so we can use it for some more years as a fuel. So students, in India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA. PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. So advises people how to save petrol, diesel while driving. The PCRA rules are like this. So drive at a constant speed and drive at a constant and a moderate speed as far as possible. First, so you have to go in a constant speed, not too high or not too slow. Okay, so if you go in a normal speed, so you can save the oil. Next, so switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Okay, when the signal is on, so you have to switch off the engine, or if you are waiting for someone, or if you are waiting, so at that time also you can switch off the engine. And ensure correct type of tire pressure. Okay, you have to look into the tire pressure. Next, ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. So you have to service your vehicles once in a while. So these are some of the tips given by the PCAR department. So students, I hope all of you have understood this, and this ends the chapter coal and petroleum. Thank you so much.